Hello, my friends. As we know, English has been the most popular language in the world,
Yes, sir.
and English grammar is very much required to speak and write correct English.
Yes, sir.
So, as a reference, we are taking one of the best books, Essential Grammar in Use, published by Cambridge University Press UK. This book is designed for children and elementary students of English to enable them to understand the basic grammar topics. Today I am going to start unit number 27 and teach you how to use will, shall for the future in our day-to-day life. For example, I will be here tomorrow or I won't be here tomorrow. So, you should listen and watch this video carefully. Okay, well, let us get started now. Unit number 27, Will, Shall, Part 1, Section A. Sarah goes to work every day. She is always there from 8:30 until 4:30. It is 11 o'clock now. Sarah is at work. At 11 o'clock yesterday, she was at work. At 11 o'clock tomorrow, she will be at work. Will plus infinitive, will be, will win, will come, etc. I'll be, I'll win, I'll eat, I'll come, will be, will win, will eat, will come. You will be, you will win, you will eat, you will come. They'll be, they'll win, they'll eat, they'll come. He'll be, he'll win, he'll eat, he'll come. She'll be, she'll win, she'll eat, she'll come. It'll be, it'll win, it'll eat, it'll come. I won't be, I won't win, I won't eat, I won't come. We won't be, we won't win, we won't eat, we won't come. You won't be, you won't win, you won't eat, you won't come. They won't be, they won't win, they won't eat, they won't come. He won't be, he won't win, he won't eat, he won't come. She won't be, she won't win, she won't eat, she won't come. It won't be, it won't win, it won't eat, it won't come. Will I be, will I win, will I eat, will I come? Will we be, will we win, will we eat, will we come? Will you be, will you win, will you eat, will you come? Will they be, will they win, will they eat, will they come? Will he be, will he win, will he eat, will he come? Will she be, will she win, will she eat, will she come? Will it be, will it win, will it eat, will it come? Section B. We use will for the future, tomorrow, next week, etc. For example, Sue travels a lot. Today she is in Madrid. Tomorrow she'll be in Rome. Next week she'll be in Tokyo. You can call me this evening. I'll be at home. Leave the old bread in the garden. The birds will eat it. We'll probably go out this evening. Will you be at home this evening? I won't be here tomorrow. It means I will not be here. Don't drink coffee before you go to bed. You won't sleep. We often say, I think will. For example, I think Kelly will pass the exam. I don't think it will rain this afternoon. Do you think the exam will be difficult? Section C. We do not use will for things we have already arranged or decided to do. For example, we are going to the cinema on Saturday. Do you want to come with us? Not we will go. I am not working tomorrow. Not I won't work. Are you going to do the exam? Not will you do. Section D. Shall. You can say I shall or I will, and we shall or we will. I shall be late tomorrow or I'll be late tomorrow. I think we shall win or I think we will win. But do not use shall with you, they, he, she, it. Tom will be late, not Tom shall be. Now it's time for exercises. 27.1. Helen is traveling in Europe. Complete the sentences with she was, she is, or she'll be. Number 1. Yesterday she was in Paris. Number 2. Tomorrow she will be in Amsterdam. Number 3. Last week she was in Barcelona. Number 4. Next week she will be in London. Number 5. At the moment she is in Brussels. Number 6. 3 days ago she was in Munich. Number 7. At the end of her trip she will be very tired. 27.2. Where will you be? Write sentences about yourself. Use I'll be or I'll probably be or I don't know where I'll be. Number 1. At 10 o'clock tomorrow, I'll probably be on the beach. Number 2. 1 hour from now, I'll be at home. Number 3. At midnight tonight, I'll probably be in bed. Number 4. At 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, I'll be at work. Number 5. 2 years from now, I don't know where I'll be. 27.3. Put in will or won't. Number 1. Don't drink coffee before you go to bed. You won't sleep. Number 2. Are you ready yet? Not yet. I'll be ready in 5 minutes. Number 3. I am going away for a few days. I am leaving tonight. So I won't be at home tomorrow. Number 4. It won't rain. So you don't need to take an umbrella. Number 5. A. I don't feel very well this evening. B. Well, go to bed early and you will feel better in the morning. Number 6. It's Ben's birthday next Monday. He'll be 25. Number 7. I'm sorry I was late this morning. It won't happen again. 27.4. Write sentences with I think or I don't think. Number 1. Kelly will pass the exam. I think Kelly will pass the exam. Number 2. Kelly won't pass the exam. I don't think Kelly will pass the exam. Number 3. We'll win the game. I think we'll win the game. Number 4. I won't be here tomorrow. I don't think I'll be here tomorrow. Number 5. Sue will like her present. I think Sue will like her present. Number 6. They won't get married. I don't think they will get married. Number 7. You won't enjoy the film. I don't think you will enjoy the film. 27.5. Which is right? Number 1. We are going to the theatre tonight. We have got tickets. Number 2. What are you doing tomorrow evening? Nothing. I am free. Number 3. They are going away tomorrow morning. Their train is at 8:40. Number 4. I am sure your aunt will lend us some money. She is very rich. Number 5. Why are you putting on your coat? I am going out. Number 6. Do you think Claire will phone us tonight? Number 7. Steve can't meet us on Saturday. He is working. Number 8. Will you be at home tomorrow evening? Number 9. A. What are your plans for the weekend? B. Some friends are coming to stay with us. This is the end of unit number 27. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment on this video. I appreciate it. Good luck and happy learning. I will see you in my next video, unit number 28. Till then, bye bye.